Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the daily scan for Tuesday, August 12th, 2014. Alright, nothing big announced yesterday, and today we have just a gold star on Treasury budget, which, down here says that merits extra attention, but not really market moving like the red ones typically are. So that's that. Now jumping over here to take a look at Asia. Yeah, not a real solid bullish over in Asia, and some mixing, slightly bearish. So nothing real impressive there, and nothing. Well, it's just we're mixed over in Europe as well. Maybe more so. I don't know. Okay, let's just move right along here quickly over into the futures here at the U.S. Looks like as though we may open up slightly. Gold is up 40 cents. I could have sworn it was up over $1 a minute ago. And oil, wow, dropped 79 cents overnight. Just about due to fill up the tank. Alright, let's take a look at our account right now. We are all looking bearish, or we have all bearish positions here. We'll look at those as we go through the A+ list, and we're in a little bit of a trouble here. I'm not sure exactly, I don't want to bail right now and take losses. I want to wait and see what today will bring. Yesterday we had NDX and SPX on our list. We will take a look at those. SPX could have been one that I would have jumped into, except for this little bit of a pullback in the afternoon. I just kept watching it, just kind of sinking back. I just didn't want to jump in on that. I was, though, seriously considering NDX, just because the NASDAQ is looking so strong, but it too had a little bit of a pullback in the afternoon. Nice confirmation here, though, on the stochastics in the MACD. Nice indicator on the MACD, and nice confirmation. Nice hook here on the stochastic, and nice confirmation on the MACD, and we even got a little bit of confirmation here on the exponential moving average, which is the 20-day. Oop, now we got trouble. Okay. So that was it from left over from yesterday. We'll just jump right into our scan immediately. I was a little bit wordy yesterday, and I apologize for that. Okay, Apple. We had a nice indicator here too on Apple. Could have jumped in on that. Did not. Were they on my... Did I have them on a list here? No, I did not. Not Friday, not yesterday, and this is now... Oh yeah, I know why, because of this. This just messed everything up, so we were taking a pass on it. Just didn't fit our rules, and we're moving back to basics now. Okay, this one didn't fit either. Amazon didn't give us the right indicator. A little 20 delta here, possibly, but not a 50. That's what I need, is some 50s. Give me some 50s, please. Okay, this is Baidu. We're up here at 222.5. I think that's our level. And, no, it's 225, I think. No, it's 222.50. Yes, 222.5. Okay, so pull back just like the rest of the market yesterday. So I'm just kind of hoping, I'm pretty sure we're going to probably get a hook here. I'm not sure if it's going to happen today or tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure. Entirely possible it could happen tomorrow. Chipotle looks a little bit more solid. That one I may have to consider exiting, just because it didn't pull back like the rest of the market. It just continued its march up. So I'm going to have to keep a close eye on that one today. Alright, moving right along. Costco. What do we have here? We have a nice uptrend going on. 20 delta somewhere down here in this channel. And, we need to come back down and hit this for a 50 delta. A nice uptrend going on here with Costco after a little bit of a downtrend. So we're still waiting for that one. Let's take a look at the Dow. See, yeah, the Dow really pulled back kind of heavy yesterday, almost back to its open. We do have an up arrow here though from PPS. And you can see that it did lag our other indicator a tad. Of course, after this candle here, it would probably be kind of a no-brainer. It's kind of a big candle. But are we still in a downtrend? Yeah, we're just going to have to find out. Stay tuned. Gold. Or is it a pullback, as everybody says? Oh, it's a pullback, a correction. Oh, man. Okay, nothing going on for gold. It's, look at this. I mean, how are you going to figure out what you're going to do here? And there's probably not enough IV. Let's take a look at this. Not enough IV. Yeah, to give you any sort of decent iron condor kind of a play. So I just put gold in our back pocket and move on. I don't think we have a dang thing to worry about with this Google play here. That's going to expire this week. As a matter of fact, I'm looking for kind of a hook back here, and we are in. Okay, we're good here from actually a nice solid green one. It doesn't quite get down to the 20, but it does get to the 30, which is our, okay, if we still want to consider it, kind of a play here. So Google is actually in a setup mode. Yes, finally a 50 delta, and it's only Tuesday. I like that. It's like the perfect, Tuesday and Wednesday is like perfect. So that's where we are with that. Let's move on. LinkedIn. Been thinking about possibly adding Facebook to my A+ list. LinkedIn, wow, it's hot. It's so hot, can't touch it. And I won't touch it. NDX, we took a peek at that just before. Could not find. Actually put an order in on this, and for this for next week's expiration with a 20 delta, it didn't pick it up, and it was just kept marching up, so I took a pass on it. But it did pull back in the afternoon, and that would have shook me up a little bit. If I had gotten in the morning, I would have been a little shaken from that move. So we'll just keep an eye on it for right now. I know we're keeping an eye on a lot of stuff. Netflix, we're waiting for a 50 delta entry down here. If we get a nice solid uninterrupted red shot down here, that would be great. Priceline is really reflected the market, only not quite as much of a pullback as most everybody else experienced yesterday. And of course they had their earnings, and they actually beat. I don't know what the expectations are for the future, but they did quite well. So their earnings was not all that big of a deal compared to, let's say, this candle here last Monday. So anyway, Priceline is in a good move, and now we're waiting to see what might happen. I expect probably something down here in the future. Here's our Russell, and looks like it's going to open up probably right around here, and we'll have to keep an eye on all of our cash indexes. Don't crash on me, Thinkorswim, please do not crash. I think SPX is going to be okay for this week. Do we have another opportunity? Are we in a downtrend? You want to like double up on this? I want to take this into consideration. Let me move this over here. Yeah, I'm going to take this into consideration. I'll probably do something next week. Let's see what we can do for next week. AUG4. 24 delta, I call it 20 delta, round it off, but 24 usually gives you the 5-to-1 that you might be looking for. And that's at 1965, which would put you up here. That'd probably be pretty nice. And so that would be running from here over to here. Yeah, it could. How about Tesla? What's going on with Tesla? Oh, it's trying to get down here. It's trying very hard. We'll be patient. We'll wait for our entry. And last but not least is Visa. Looking for a 20 delta over here. So let's drag this, or a 50 delta, over to there, and this is in setup, ladies and gentlemen. So actually I say ladies and gentlemen because there might just be one or two ladies that watches these. Not many though, mostly males. Vast majority, like over 95%. When I look at the subscribers gender on YouTube, of course, maybe people just don't want to say what gender they are. I don't think they have to, but at least the analytics that I look at on YouTube shows that, well, last time I looked, there weren't any females that viewed any of the videos, but I know that there's some out there because I get emails periodically. So I still say ladies and gentlemen. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and happy trading.